Are you looking for reliable eyewear suppliers? YMO Eyewear is one of them. YMO Eyewear offers one-stop customized eyewear manufacturing. Our company has capability to provide you the best solutions from design to prototypes, from accessories to manufacturing, then to quality inspection. Our main products cover sunglasses and optical frames in materials of acetate, metal, titanium, carbon fiber, injection, and mixed materials. YMO has capability to meet your demands by efforts together from 2 R&D teams, 1 engineering team, 6 production lines, 3 QC teams, and 2 sales teams. With 16 years' experience working with well-known brands, YMO accepts ODM and OEM orders. Not only qualified products, but also you can get effective communications, technique suggestions, structures and craft solutions, safe packaging, highly matched quality standards, timely delivery, and responsible after sales. Under strict quality control, owned factory operates every order precisely in over 100 procedures among material sourcing, processing, full set samples, mass production, inspection, and package. That's why products from YMO have been recognized and praised by overseas markets because of satisfied finishing and few after sales. YMO Eyewear would escort customers' eyewear business no matter new launch brands or well-known brands. YMO is willing to assist your business booming and never fail the consumers or the target markets. Any question, please feel free to contact us. Here you find YMO Eyewear, the most reliable manufacturer.